Where is the smoke? If you want, you can. So you can be included. Harap kayo dito. Yan, pwede na. Grab na lang tong ano. Grab na lang yung naka-video.
Ako muna, baby. Picture mo muna ako.
Grab na lang. So they are steaming now. Yay. Jess, ikaw na, pasok sa frame. Jess.
Picture?
Tsaka video at the same time. Yay! Oh.
Finally. Yay.
Emotions are flowing now. Should be documented too.
I thought it didn't push through yesterday. We're here yesterday, but then
No, we should come here, but then there was a road accident, so we're not able to come here in this side. So we just rebooked our tour yesterday for today. So.
I almost cried yesterday too.
when you said like, what do you want, bad news or good news?
Yeah.
I cannot answer. What should I?
Now you can cry now, no problem. I will capture it.
No, because I live here, so it's like I can come anytime.
Oh, you live here?
Yeah.
You live in Scotland?
No, in Bristol. I mean, I live
Bristol,
here in the UK,
yeah.
so I can come anytime. But that next year. Because they only have a tour in July, they said. Yeah, I think it's not good if the weather is...
Yeah,
we
the
can,
weather is so
we can see the train in summer, right?
No, yeah. It's a good... this is a good time.
Yeah.
We don't know when will it happen again.
Finally!
Are you Korean as well? Chinese?
No, I'm from Hong Kong.
Hong Kong!
Yeah. But I'm based in London now.
Oh, nice.
So you are on tour, our tour?
No, we drive here.
Drive here?
Yeah, we go to Isle of Skye later.
Oh.
Yeah, for 3 days.
So how long is the drive from where you came from? Edinburgh?
From
London.
there, we fly to Edinburgh, and then we drive to Glasgow, and then we drive here.
Glasgow.
We stay here for 2 or 3 days already.
Oh, nice.
Okay.
And we have to see the big lake.
Yeah,
Oh, yeah.
Yes,
Let's go.
yes.
Let's go.